So hi guys, good morning. This is Amit Soni from AS English Club. Today we are gathered here to deal with the fluency session today. So one by one you will come on the stage and deal with the topic that you would assign last day. So our guys are ready? So let's be a start this one. So first of all, I would like to call here on the stage to deal with the topic that was assigned last day, Pallavi here on the stage. So give her a big round of applause.
Hello, good morning. This is Pallavi Kumari, student of AS English Club, and today I am here to speak up about the topic education is key to success. So, success is something that everyone wants to achieve, but few that to preserve for it. Only few people realize that success comes to only those who aspire for it, and it goes hand in hand with perfection. To achieve perfection in any field, one must dedicate oneself to it. Commitment towards completion of that job must be one's motto. One must aim higher, and for that, diligence is also required along with hard work. If one doesn't work hard to achieve one's goal, one can never be successful in his life. Education is...
रुकावटें आती है सफलता की राहों में, रुकावटें आती है सफलता की राहों में, ये कौन नहीं जानता। रुकावटें आती है सफलता की राहों में, ये कौन नहीं जानता। मंजिल उसी को मिलती है जो हार नहीं मानता। With this beautiful lines, good morning one and all present here. Today's me Prince Singh is standing before you.
Hello, good morning everyone. This is Neha Singh. I am a student of BSc IT from College of Commerce, Arts and Science. Today I am here in front of you. Success is something which everyone wants to achieve, but few dare to preserve for it. Only some people realize that success comes to only those who aspire for it, and it goes hand in hand with perfection. To achieve perfection in any field, you must dedicate yourself for it. Commitment towards the completion for that job.
Good morning to all of you. This is me, Anshu Singh, standing in your front for a short speech on the topic key to success. Success is something that's...
Hello, good morning. This is Ayush Kumar here in front of you to share my view on the topic of key to success. Success is something...
This is Akash Sharma here, and I am here to discuss on a beautiful topic, and the topic is key to success. Success is something which everyone wants to achieve, but few of them preserve for it. Everyone knows that life is not a bed of roses. So first thing which I want to clear you that there is no any shortcut to become a successful in your life. If you want to become successful, you must be a plan for it. Just for an example, if you want to go Patna to Delhi, then you must make a plan for it. As like that, you must be a plan for your dreams or your goals. We all know that life is unpredictable. If you sometimes faces failure in life, then change or try a different strategy, not change your whole goals.
Good morning to everyone. This is Sarita and my topic is key to success. Success is something which everyone wants to achieve, but few that preserve for it.
Deepak Kumar. Today is a fluency round. Our fluency round topic name is...
This is Prajwal Raj. Today we are here on a fluency round which is key to success.
Good morning guys. This is Gaurav Kumar. Today I am here in front of you to deliver some lines on the topic key to success. Let's start. Success is something which everyone wants to achieve, but few dare to preserve for it. Only some people realize that success comes to only those aspire for it, and it goes hand in hand with perfection. To achieve perfection in any field, one must dedicate oneself to it. Commitment towards the completion of that job must be one motto. One must aim higher, and for the diligence is also required.
Hey guys, good morning. This is Simran Priya. I am student of BSc IT second year from College of Commerce, Arts and Science, and I am from Patna. Today I am here in front of you because of our fluency round, and my topic is key to success. So without killing your time, I will start. So success is something which everyone wants to.
Good morning everyone. This is Vaishnavi Sharma, and thank you so much giving me such a great opportunity to stand here in front of you all and speak about on the topic of key to success. So let's get started. Success is something which everyone wants to achieve, but few that preserve for it. Only some people realize that success comes to only those aspire for it, and it goes hand to hand with perfection. To achieve perfection in any field, one must dedicate oneself to it. One must aim higher, for delegation is also required for along with hard work. Everyone knows that life is not a bed of roses. At last we also say that education is key to success. Thank you.
So guys, thank you first of all Distance to everyone sitting here, and especially to those students who came over here on the stage and dared to speak something in front of the camera. It happens guys, I know that whenever we stand in front of the camera, Distance, we get a bit hesitate, Distance, we lose ourselves, we lose our passions, we start trembling. Someone was doing that, Distance, but on the other hand, some of the students performed very well. They faced the camera very boldly and confidently and dealt with the topic really fantabulously. Distance, they dealt the topic and then finished it off. Okay. Whereas at the same time, Distance, some of the students really showed their different types of body language and body expressions and Distance hand movements and leg movements and all, and Max, Distance, tried well to spoil the whole performance. Some of the students, what they did, I want to show you off, Distance, that you have done. Some of them were doing Distance, some of them were very silent like this. They even didn't use their body language and facial expression. It was very strict. Where some of the students who are Distance, were very active on the stage and were doing like this. They were doing like this. They completely regularly throughout the video, from the very beginning to the end, they do that. And some of them were ready to fight on the stage. Whereas some of them were Distance standing, as they are standing over there to salute the flag and the strict what is strict like for us. So we have different kinds of Distance sort of students over here. At the same time, Distance, some of them have really tried well, and I like the expressions also. Distance, the expressions did by Ansu was a bit nice. Distance over there, he was active. The expression was nice, but he had to deal with the problem and Distance on topic a bit more confidently. The rate of a speech was also very nice. Okay, Akash were also nice, but in the between Distance he got fluctuated and he was stuck up Distance and restarted. That should not be done in front of the camera. Wherever Distance on the stage, you will not be given a Distance on a second chance on the stage. So try to finish it at one go, the first go. Don't get a start again. So this should not be done. Okay. So finally, Distance, I will show you everyone when you will come again Distance in the next class. First work will be Distance we will have is to show your activities on the projector over here, and I make you sure that you will love watching yourself. And after the class, you will really try yourself to improve your activities that you do on the stage, because whatever I say, you really don't believe I know that, Distance, that you really do that. But if you watch yourself, you will believe that you really do as I tell to you. Distance, it's happening, what's happening, and I'm telling you. So please, try to improve it. Because as I'm feeling, Distance, everyone is confident enough and have the power to speak and confident enough, Distance. You have the power. You have grammatical skill. You have pronunciation also, expressions also. But something that should be controlled, something that should be managed on the stage, and that's why, Distance, I plan this activity to record everyone's video to show you up so that you can improve that very vulgar activity and misbehave on the stage that you regularly do, that makes the whole activities vulgar and unpleasant to watch. Distance, that is not engaging. But on the other hand, Distance, if you think about the fun and pleasure, Distance, that is enough to watch you, Distance, to have fun. So it is good for fun if it is funny. Okay. So but we are not here, Distance, to make it fun. Distance is a serious activity. So at the same time, Distance, you need to work harder and improve that thing. Otherwise, everyone was very nice. But there is some need to work harder a bit more. Okay.